mom. Show the video. Show the video. Show the video.
Would you cook?
Sit beside mommy.
Did you kiss it for me?
Yeah. Cook.
Check. Okay, for you, look. Check. Oh my
Watch all the video.
Hey, Noah.
I'll be cooking noodles.
You're cooking. You're cooking.
Noodles for mommy.
Okay.
I'll put it.
Yes.
I'm scared.
Oh. Nuts. What's cooking?
Almost done.
Noodles for mommy.
You want to see it?
That's only instant noodles. Careful pa.
I'm actually shocked. I never cooked noodles in my life. No one's good at cooking. Look at this. It's kind of scary. It's done?
Make it 2 minutes
What?
more. Careful. Wait.
I'll make sure.
This one first. Not the
I'll make. You might be a chicken. Put the egg next. Put the egg.
No, no, this one more.
And I do it. The whole thing?
Yeah.
Whole thing?
Yes. Here, put it again. There's how much? Depende.
I give it. We're back.
We're back.
Okay. I don't know what's that. Now, I need a fork for this. The baby will get opened by me.
Careful here. Put it here.
Oh! I might drop. Oh, I'll do it.
There.
It might crack and
Oh, hold
explode.
on. No.
Let me mix it. Ring around they go. Ring around the It looks like actually yellow in the video. For us, not
So
that.
what color? So what
It's
color?
very bright yellow, and for
Careful.
us,
Matapos.
for us, it's not.
What will you say to mommy?
Love you.
And then
The chicken likes the jacuzzi in there.
you cook mommy, come on.
Mommy,
I cook this for you.
I cook this for you.
Careful. Okay.
Scary.
No, you just put it here.
Just do it. You didn't just tell me
Yes.
that.
Sorry. Done. Wow.
Close your eyes, Mom. Close your eyes, Mom. Show the video. Show the video. Show the video.
Would you cook?
Sit beside mommy.
Did you kiss it for me?
Yeah. Cook.
Check. Okay, for you, look. Check. Oh my
Watch all the videos.
God.
Watch all the videos.
Sit beside mommy.
Video.
I'll pa-edit yan and then I'll post.
Then you put it in anything. Any five
I rate it. So mommy will try na.
Rate it. That's the mother's, by the way. That's the mother's chicken, by the way.
The chick's mother.
No,
It's 5. No, it's 10. 10. It's the best I've ever tasted.
Oh no, baby chick not cook.
I think they should get you to be the endorser of this.
Oh, thank you.
Well, thank you.
Ooh.
And then you come out on TV and you say, wow, eating noodles with mama. It's the best in the world. I swear, it's the best. Thank you.
Have nice jokes.
You have the best noodles I've ever tasted in my life.
Thank you.
You want
Say you
some?
know
I put some
Say-
seed roll. Vlog.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No onions.
Onions. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you on our next
Video.
Vlog.
So, we'll cook what naman next? Secret.
Egg.
You're gonna kill the chicks, Mom.
Other chicks, Mom. I'll get the chicken
Parang I don't
short.
wanna eat it na. Naawa
I
naman
do
ako sa
like-
chick. You killed the mom.
I
You
put
killed
some
the
cheese
baby.
roll.
The baby of the
No,
chicken.
I didn't.
No, you didn't.
I put it as a pet.
Parang hirap kainin. Kasi
Ay,
naawa
no!
ako sa anak
No,
ng
only the
manok.
mother.
Only
I keep the chicken, the chick for later. I put
Okay,
it in a
I think I'm
box.
gonna be vegetarian now.
What vegetarian?
Say, thank you, Noah.
Thank you, baby. The best.
Matapos ang ilang araw na confinement sa ospital dahil sa matinding depression, nakauwi na sa kanilang tahanan ang aktres na si Claudine Barreto. Isa itong mabigat na laban para sa tinaguriang optimum star, ngunit ngayon ay unti-unti na siyang bumabangon sa tulong ng kanyang pamilya, lalo na ng anak niyang si Noah. Sa isang bidyong ibinahagi ni Claudine, damang-dama ang malasakit ng batang si Noah na hindi bumitiw sa pag-aalaga sa kanyang ina, mula ospital hanggang sa kanilang tahanan. Isa sa mga pinakanakaantig na tagpo ay nang pinagluto ni Noah ng noodles ang kanyang mama, simpleng kilos na puno ng pagmamahal, ngunit nag-iwan ng napakalalim na emosyon kay Claudine. Sa gitna ng kanyang pag-iyak, ipinahayag ni Claudine ang labis na pasasalamat dahil sa kabila ng lahat ng kanyang pinagdaraanan, mayroong mga anak na handang umunawa at mag-alaga. Para sa aktres, ang kanyang mga anak ang tunay na dahilan upang patuloy na lumaban at huwag sumuko. Kasabay nito, bumuhos ang suporta mula sa kanyang mga kaibigan at kasamahan sa industriya. Hindi nagpahuli si Vilma Santos na nagpaabot ng mensahe ng pagmamahal. Hi my dearest baby Claude, we are all here loving you. Dito lang kami para sa'yo. Tomorrow is another day. Be happy, smile and enjoy life, 'cause you are blessed. I love you. Nagpahayag din si Vina Morales ng kanyang malasakit sa pamamagitan ng mga salitang, Sis, love and hugs for you. We'll pray for you. Samantalang ang aktres na si Arcy Muñoz ay nagpaabot ng 3 pulang puso bilang simbolo ng kanyang pagmamahal at suporta. Maging ang mga fans at taga-suporta ng aktres ay nagpakita ng matinding pagmamalasakit. Sa iba't ibang social media platforms, bumuhos ang dasal at positibong mensahe para sa tuluyang paggaling ni Claudine. Marami ring nagsabing nagsilbi siyang inspirasyon dahil sa kanyang katapangan na ipakita ang totoong mukha ng depression at kung gaano kahalaga ang pagkakaroon ng pamilya sa panahong mahirap. Sa ngayon, nakatuon si Claudine sa mas mahabang pahinga at paghilom, hindi lamang ng katawan, kundi pati ng puso't isipan. Bagamat mahaba-haba pa ang landas ng kanyang recovery, malinaw na handa siyang lumaban. Hindi para sa sarili lamang, kundi higit sa lahat, para sa kanyang mga anak na nagbibigay sa kanya ng panibagong pag-asa at lakas araw-araw. Ang laban ni Claudine Barreto laban sa depresyon ay isang paalala sa ating lahat na ang kalusugan ng isip ay kasing halaga ng anumang aspeto ng ating buhay. At sa kabila ng lungkot at paghihirap, laging may liwanag na magbabalik. Liwanag na nagmumula sa pagmamahal ng pamilya at sa dasal ng mga tunay na nagmamahal. Tulad ng ipinakita ni Claudine, sa bawat pagsubok, ang mahalaga ay hindi tayo sumusuko dahil sa dulo may dahilan para muling ngumiti, may dahilan para muling mabuhay, at may dahilan para muling umasa.